Race morning of race season, first race morning of race season. I need a nap and a sweater.
And a better little jingle.
Good morning. We got about not very many hours of sleep. We just got to the track and we get to play race cars today. First race day of the 2023 season, and I'm cold. But last time it was cold in Gainesville, we won first round, so. I'm on my way up to meet Dad and Heather for driver intros, and then it's time to race. So, let's do this. What you thinking, Tyler?
We're gonna win the first round. I'm just thinking about all the stuff I gotta do right when we get back.
Yeah?
So I don't miss this one.
Yeah. Cool. I'm not gonna say anything to jinx it, but y'all know what happened here in Gainesville last year, so. Whatever happens, we are extraordinarily lucky to be here and be doing the coolest stuff on the planet. So, it's a good day. Well, that could have gone better, but Caps just ran low ET of the event, so we weren't beating him. I would have been happy if we made it down the track. But it is what it is. We'll get it packed up and get home and get ready for Phoenix. So I just looked at the video while driving back. It didn't have a hole out and it launched really good. I think Dad's gonna be happy with the launch. We just gotta figure out what's going on at like 200 or 300 feet. What's up, Mr. Austin?
I'm not too sure.
So, on Mr. Terry's run a little bit ago, what happened?
Well, he stepped on like the thing in there. He stepped on it pretty good, which it like opened the thing up here. And when he did that, like it got angry, and it was like ah! And when it did that, it was like ah! In the back too. And then it said ah! And I was like, you should probably stop doing that. And then we're here.
Nice.
That's at least the way I understood it.
So you done made an executive decision?
Yeah.
You done told Mr. Terry he was done?
Yeah, when I could read that, I was like, you know?
Fair enough.
Yeah, but yeah, it's quick.
You excited for Phoenix?
Yeah. Yeah.
Cool.
We can do some good stuff.
Yeah?
Car drove real nice.
So there is a little bit of like residue stuff that's left here on the head, and that's just basically oil. So what I'm doing is I'm taking some WD-40 and Scotch-Brite and cleaning it all up, and we're cleaning the heads up so that the car can have a rack put in it and be stacked together, and then we need to pack up, and I've got somebody's butt to kick in a push-up competition. Okay, we're doing birthday cake for Tim, because it's almost his 60th birthday this weekend, so it's a surprise.
Happy birthday! We can't keep. Come on! We can't keep the candles lit.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Tim. Happy birthday to you. Hey, I've got a way to keep the candles lit. Give me a second.
There you go. Now we got it.
All right, blow it out.
You gotta blow them out.
Make a wish, Tim.
Hold on 1 second, bro. Cake either. I'm blowing out birthday candles. Don't lick it.
So the idea for the map gas torch as a birthday candle lighter came from Austin himself. Oh yes, I love you. Tyler just gave me a snack. Hi Tyler. But basically, Austin got the map gas torch out for his own birthday cake candles.
I can't help it you guys couldn't get it right. Sometimes professionals have to take over.
Alright, we are on our way up to the starting line to watch the finals. So my buddy Jake Socks, who used to work with us, is on JR Todd's team. which is currently in the finals. So, what's up, Mr. In the Finals?
Not a whole lot.
Nice. Yeah? Well, don't suck again. And now we have Mr. Torrance and Mr. Salinas.
For the win, Mike Salinas. Steve Torrance got off the starting line first, ran 375 and 333.
And that's a wrap. So, end of the weekend, Mr. Tim. What are your thoughts on this weekend?
Awesome. The best birthday present I ever had.
Yeah?
Absolutely.
It is an awesome birthday present. And I can't wait to see us keep getting better throughout the year.
I've already seen it this week.
Yeah.
I just tell you that. I should stop. This is what it takes.
Yes, sir.
I've already seen improvement already.
It's gonna be good. I'm excited.
That is a baller sunset.
So, there's been a brilliant sunset tonight, and that is a really, really good way to close out the first race of the 2023 season. And I will be the first to admit, it wasn't perfect, it wasn't how we hoped it would go, but it was still a good weekend. And when we came back, I wish I had been filming, but Johnny kind of gave all of us a little pep talk and was like, you know, it's good that we are going out and smoking the tires because we know what we need to fix, and that we are working so well together for being a new team that he's really happy with all of us, which is really, really good to hear. We're just gonna keep working away at the car and making it so that it goes, because the parts are all there to go really fast and do really well. We just gotta find our way, and when you're trying to make such big improvements, there's gonna be growing pains. And if there's gonna be growing pains and it's gonna lead to all the good stuff, to being able to be competitive, I am totally down for it. It is really, really, really cool. So, on that note, make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Thank you guys for watching, and never, ever, ever give up.